Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I have just been addicted to watching mystery style bundle unboxings lately, and I wanted to get one of my own. You know, I want to join in on the fun. There's actually so many ways that you can get one. You can get one on Depop, there's sellers on Instagram, Etsy, and even wholesale websites. And so I actually saw this TikTok of this store/website. They're actually a vintage wholesaler based in the UK, but they sell stylized mystery bundles. So let's take a look. Basically how it works is on their website, they have a bunch of different aesthetics you can choose from for their bundles. So right now they have Bella Hadid, Festival, Fairycore, Y2K, and Punk. First and foremost, I think I'm gonna do the Y2K as an obvious choice. The Punk one was cute though too, but I feel like Y2K could be more of like a solid option for me. Like I'll like more of the stuff that they include from what I saw in the pictures and videos. So we're gonna go ahead and select that one. You can either select Surprise Me or view a video before it's shipped. I'm gonna choose Surprise Me because that's the fun part, obviously. I wanna be surprised. And then they also have different quantities you can choose from. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40. Obviously the price will go up as the quantity does. So I'm between 10 and 20, but I feel like I'm gonna stick with 10. The price difference here, we got $127 for 10 items and then $254 for 20. I did take a peek and I think shipping is a little bit expensive just because it's based in the UK, so we have to take that into account as well. So I think I'm gonna do 10. And then you just choose the size that you want. I'm gonna do extra small, small. And then this is where the fun part is. You write things that you want and things that you don't want, and you can also include your Pinterest board. Yeah, I haven't purchased it yet, so I figured we could just like do this together and fill it out together, and you guys can see what I want. Just for like an overview of this bundle that you guys can see, these are the pictures that they include. So cute. We got rhinestone jeans right in the top. We got some fun bags, cute graphic tees. I see some button ups and like flowy tops under there. So this seems like it's like right up my alley. So I'm definitely gonna do this one. So let's fill out our description of what we want. Right off the top of my head, I'm just gonna try to think of some things that I've been loving right now and that I do want. First thing I thought of was camo. Love camo right now. It's all over my Pinterest board. Another thing that I could use more of is low-rise in general. So low-rise skirts, low-rise pants. Another thing, fun Y2K purses. Fun purses. Hopefully that's not too vague, but oh well. I'm trying not to be very like picky with this because I don't know, I just want to be surprised and like see what they include for me, especially based on like my Pinterest board that I send. So I'll mainly focus on that. Lately I've been loving fur vests, as you guys have seen in my past thrift with me, so I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put studded accessories. I feel like I've been seeing them everywhere and they're kind of making a comeback, so I'm gonna put belts, bags, hats, etc. I think that's good. Don't want, the only thing I could think of was like thick, big jackets or coats because I have so many and it's like not even cold here anymore, so I definitely don't want that. I think that's it. I'm pretty open, like I said. And now let's take a look at the Pinterest board that I'm gonna include. Spring 2025, this is the one I'm gonna send them. I just went through and added like all of the trends that we talked about and everything that I've been wanting. Fun purses, we have low rise, literally everywhere. All of the studded accessories, fur vests, everything that we talked about should be here so they can get some good references on the style that I'm wanting. But yeah, here's like the general idea of how I want to dress this spring. This should be perfect. Yay! Okay, let's include this link. I'm also gonna put my Instagram because I do post a lot of fashion content. Maybe they can take a look and see what my like actual style is. So we want camo, low-rise mini skirts, fun purses, fur vests, lace, studded accessories. Don't want thick jackets / coats. We have my Pinterest board and my Instagram, so we should be good to go. Add to bag. Like I said, it's $127 for the box for 10 items. Hopefully it's worth it. Shipping was $73 to the US from the UK. It's a little bit pricey. So my total came out to $200 for 10 items. Pay now. Okay, my order was processed. We're good to go. It says it takes about 7 days to ship. So I will see you guys when everything comes in. We can unbox it together and it'll be super fun. So stay tuned. It's here. So excited. I literally feel like I've been waiting forever for this. It took about 2 weeks, so not too bad. I feel like I gave them a lot of options, but also like it's very broad. So I could really get anything in this box. That's enough yapping. Let's open it. I'm gonna try not to peek. It might be a little hard. And I also wanna be honest in this video. Like if I don't like something, I will be sure to let you know, but also I won't be mean. So I'm gonna try my best. Give me a second. Give me a second. Damn, they really taped this up. Goddamn. I'm not peeking. I'll let you guys look first. Oh, it's still not open all the way. There we go. Okay, how's it look? Can you see anything? I feel a paper. Let's look. Oh, okay, this is just my receipt. Y2K style bundle, 10 pieces. There we go. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited. Why am I literally like nervous? Okay. Oh, I feel denim, maybe. Oh, I feel a bag too. Okay, here's some denim. Oh my God. Oh my God. How cute. Stop. Okay, well, I'm already satisfied. 10 out of 10. We have this cutie little denim vest and it has studs all along the collar there and on the back. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm also gonna try everything on too, so you'll see that in the clips, but there's a little zipper in the front and it has all these like gold buttons here. I love this. This is like so my style right now and I feel like I could style it really fun. They incorporated the studs. They knew that I was asking for that, so perfect. We're off to a good start. This is so cute and it looks like it's gonna fit me really well. And it's like distressed too. So freaking cute. Second item, here we go. I think it's a bag. Is it cute? Tell me it's cute. Shut up. Oh my God. Oh my God, wait. This is so cool. I'm gagged. I'm gagged. It's like this really cool tan, soft leather, almost like croc purse. I love the shape of it too. I love that it's like longer, kind of like the baguette style bags. I really like this. And oh, what do you know? It's got the studs on it too. I feel like they really listened to what I said. This looks nice. This is the brand and it says made in Italy. So assuming it's like real leather and everything. Can you see? That's the brand. Yay! Okay, we're doing good so far. Let's keep going. This is actually so fun. It's making me want to order like 10 more, but I'm not gonna do that because it was low-key expensive. Okay, next up, I like to try and guess. This feels like a tank top, maybe. Oh my God, love it. Love it. Oh my God, what does it say? Serrano Famosi. So cute though, like this is gonna be so cute in the summer with like some micro mini shorts. We could pair it with like some track pants too. This is cute, a nice basic essential graphic tank. I love it. Oh, is this a hoodie? I feel a hood. Oh, please be cute, please be cute, please be cute. Oh my God, it's like the vintage Abercrombie and Fitch hoodies. I see these all over Depop. This is really cute. It must be kids because it says XL. This is so cute. Oh my God. Love me a good essential zip-up hoodie these days. I'm more into zip-up hoodies than I am to like pullover hoodies, so I'm really excited about this. And then it's got like the logo in the front. It says Fitch 92 Varsity. Love it. Okay, next up. Is this a skirt? Cute. I'll be honest, I'm not like super wowed by this one. It is cute. I'll have to try it on to see how I like it, but something about it is just giving me like, I went to private school and we had to wear uniforms, and so this just reminds me of like the skirts, like how it's shaped and like the length of it. If it was like a little bit shorter, I feel like I would like it more. It's cute though. We can try to style it in a cute way, so I'm not mad about it. Yeah, it's just like this plaid, black and white, pleated mini skirt, and then it has like the elastic waistband in the back. It might honestly be cute with like the black graphic tank that they sent and even the gray hoodie over. Like we can make it a vibe, okay? We'll work with it. Okay, how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're halfway through. Ooh, I feel some like velour or like velvet. Oh, is it pants? Oh, it's a hoodie. Oh, cute. This is a vintage Converse velour zip-up hoodie. I love the color of it. And then it's got like the logo in the front there. It's a little cracked, but that's okay. Yeah, I feel like I'll wear this one a lot too. Like I said, I love a good zip-up hoodie. Oh, it even has like the little logo tag at the bottom there. I was low-key crossing my fingers that it was gonna be a juicy one for some reason. It's fine. Oh, and the zipper is cute too. It's got like a little star on it, like the Converse star. Yeah, I like this one. Do you think they sent me the set? I don't know. Like matching pants or something? I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, okay. Oh, what the heck is this? A belt? What is this? Stop. Oh. Oh my God. Made in Italy vintage corset. Oh my God. Oh my God, I think this is my favorite thing so far. I'm literally speechless. Look at this. Look at the little bow. And the lace. Oh my God, the lace is so pretty. And the ruffle hem. I could literally shed a tear right now. This is honestly so adorable. Like the mix of the satin and the lace. Here's the back. It's like completely satin. Oh my God. Here's the tag. The brand is Falk. Everything that they sent is like made in Italy, which is interesting. I don't want to put it away. Like I just love it so much. I can keep staring at it. Wow, okay. I don't know if anything else is gonna be able to top that. Let's see. Oh, I feel some more denim, I think. Is it a mini skirt? Oh my God. Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I love this. I love the like elastic waistband. And then, oh my God, wait till you see the back. It's got the studs on the pockets. I love this. I love the wash of it. I love the distressing. I love the color. I love the studs. Love the waistband. It's like super micro mini, which I was wanting. So, okay, this might be my second favorite thing in the box. It's really, really cute. It is missing the drawstring though. So I have to figure that out. Maybe I can like replace it somehow. Anyways, it's cute. I'm gonna make it work. Yay! Next up. Oh, I feel more denim. Another mini skirt, maybe? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. This one's so cute too. Oh my God. I love this. Look at the back. I love the back pockets. It's got like the super cute stitching on them. And these pockets too, so cute. I love the like vintage wash. Wow, I love it. This feels like good, high quality denim too. Like, you know when denim's like really thick? That's how this feels. So are we on the last thing? 7, 8, 9. Oh my God, we're on the last thing. No, I think it's a top. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cool. It's like this really slinky material, and then it has this like graphic on it, but then it has this netting at the bottom, which is so cool. And I think it's like off the shoulder. It's like asymmetrical. Oh my God, I love this so much. I actually love this so much. And I love the like contrast stitching at the top too. And it's got like the lettuce hem sleeves. Here's the close-up of the graphic. It's so freaking sick. I've never even seen a top like this before. Guys, they delivered. I was a little bit worried. I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna get, to be honest. Like mystery boxes are either hit or miss. From what I've seen. This is my first time ordering one, but from what I've seen, and I'm really satisfied with this one. But yeah, I think it was close to like $200 with shipping, so I don't know if I would pay that again. Maybe I would. I'm a little psycho, so maybe I would, but yeah. I love that everything kind of matches. We have like the blues, blacks, and grays going on, so I love that. Everything goes together and everything's just like such a vibe. I can't wait to wear everything. If you guys have any recommendations of people who do style bundles or mystery boxes, either like on Instagram, Depop, if they have their own website, if you do it yourself, please comment and let me know, because I definitely want to order more and make more videos like this. I feel like it was super fun for me. Let me know if you guys liked it too. But anyways, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!